In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an SLA in Zoho Desk. Whether you're new to Zoho Desk or just looking to get all the details right, this guide will walk you through the entire process seamlessly. First, let's start from the Zoho Desk dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the Setup or Settings section. It's usually found at the top right corner, represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will bring you to a new section with a variety of options to customize and automate your Zoho Desk experience. Now, proceed to the Automation section within the settings. It's often found in the main menu that appears after you click the Setup icon. Once you're in Automation, look for the SLA option and click on it, followed by the Create SLA button. This is the first step in setting up your service level agreements and defining how you want the requests to be handled and escalated. Here is where you can give your SLA a name and a description. It's important to choose a name that is easily recognizable and descriptive, so you'll quickly understand its purpose later on. The description can provide additional context or details about the specifics of this particular SLA. Next, you'll need to configure when you want the SLA to be executed, which is essential for ensuring that your team's response times are consistent with the expectations set out in the agreement. You have the option to choose a preferred condition based on your specific requirements or the general guidelines of your SLA. After deciding when your SLA will trigger, click Next to move to the subsequent step. The system will prompt you to add a target. This essentially means defining how the SLA should get activated and what conditions need to be met for that to happen. These targets act as the rules that guide the SLA's behavior. You'll then need to set the specific conditions for these targets. More importantly, this includes identifying the response and resolution times. Here, you're also given the opportunity to enable response escalation or resolution escalation as needed, ensuring that urgent matters are handled with the necessary promptness. Once you've set all of these parameters to your liking, it's time for the final step, saving your SLA. Simply locate the Save button at the bottom or top of your screen and click it to ensure all your configurations are stored in the system. It's always a good practice to double-check each setting before saving to confirm everything reflects your intended setup. And there you have it. You've just successfully created an SLA in Zoho Desk. Remember, SLAs are pivotal for maintaining service standards and ensuring timely responses to customer requests. By following this guide closely, you can streamline your support processes and improve customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more helpful Zoho Desk tips.